1 month after confirming the first case of swine flu here, health officials are confirming 2 new cases. They involve 4 and 6-year-old siblings. The first was a 32-year-old woman. The young patients are said to have developed flu-like symptoms after arriving here from the U.S. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Josiah Rambally says one of their parents sought medical assistance after the children developed flu-like symptoms a few days after they returned to St. Lucia.
Tests were done on the parent and the children, but only the children tested positive for H1N1 virus. The family was placed in voluntary quarantine, and follow-up reports indicate that both children are doing extremely well. No flu-like symptoms have been noted in other close contacts of the affected family. The epidemiology and community nursing departments in the Ministry of Health are continuing the investigations into these cases.
The CMO is reiterating calls for anyone with flu-like symptoms who have recently traveled to a country affected by the virus to take an H1N1 test. Dr. Rambally says the test is simple and free.
This test is absolutely free, and samples can be taken by a health practitioner at any health facility. All such samples are then sent to the lab at Victoria Hospital for processing. Persons with flu-like symptoms who have no recent history of travel but who have had contact with recent travelers should also get tested.
The ministry's priority remains controlling the spread of the virus. Dr. Rambally says it's important for people with the flu to stay away from others.
If you are ill with a flu, do not go to work. If you are ill with a flu, do not go to school. Parents, relatives, and teachers should remain especially vigilant when school reopens. This is because many children may have been exposed to the virus during the vacation through travel or contact with travelers.
The 2 young patients were placed in voluntary quarantine, and the CMO says they are recuperating. He's commending the children's parents and their medical practitioner for dealing with the illness promptly and effectively. Dr. Rambally says it is this type of action that will help in fighting the spread of the virus. Alison Kentish, HTS News, Channel 4.